The login page for Leadpages is simply my.leadpages.net/login/. So once you've set up an account, whether it's a trial account or a paid account, whether that be monthly or annually, this is the page you always go to log in. I'll use a login aid. Okay, so once you've logged in, Leadpages, because it's mainly focused on creating lead capture pages, that's always where you're coming to the site. So these are lead pages that I've created. Here, the Leadpages icon will always get you back to this screen. If you've created any websites, it's here. So I have one. Landing pages as there, and then conversion tools, and I actually have two, so I'm a standard account holder. That's all I need at the moment. So I can create pop-ups, and I could create alert bars, although I've not done that since. I would have to be a professional, a pro member, to use the opt-in tags or trigger links. So sites, landing pages, conversion tools, and those are the tools where you're going to be creating your pages for your website or your lead capture. On this side is all around the account, so if there's any notifications, you'll have them there, any help files there. If you're going to upgrade, there's your button to do so. And on the right hand side, you've got the type of account you've got, add sub accounts, which again you'd have to be a pro member to do that, support, feedback, lead notifications, so that's where I tell Leadpages the emails that I want them to email me, letting me know when someone's opted in or someone has become one of my subscribers. Lead magnets, so if I want to give something away as an ethical bribe for them to give me their email address, that's where I would create and store those. Any images that I've loaded up into the system to use as I customize pages, and domains, so custom domain, so you can have one custom domain on the standard package, more as you upgrade. That's where I would add those. And branding, so if I've got a business and I've got a color scheme in my business, I can add it into the branding, which will help me set everything up to look as if it's from my business. And then various training aids. So very, very simple menu system. And typically, as I said, and what I'm going to show you over the next couple of days, again in very short videos, are how we would create a new landing page. So that's logging in, and that's the basic walkthrough of the menu structure. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about creating a new landing page, and I'm going to talk about two items of it to keep these videos to 5 minutes or so. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the fact that Leadpages uses a grid system, and once you understand it's a grid system, it really helps you modify templates to make them exactly what you want. And the second one is, once you understand that you're working with rows and columns, or the widgets that you can drop into those rows and columns to create your page. So we'll cover that tomorrow. So if you want to make sure you're not going to miss it, please subscribe to this channel so that I can notify you when it's released so you don't miss it. And if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Until tomorrow, bye bye for now.